Hi guys, welcome back to Do It New YouTube channels. Today we are covering here the NDMI, Normal Difference Moisture Index. It is using for the soil moisture index of your study area. So today we are look the practical how we gather creating the some difference of the moisture index. So we today are using the Landsat 8 data. So just click on the your data layer, open the ArcMap and add your data. Just go to the selected where you store your Landsat 8 data. Just open that. Here we need to the band number 5 and band number 6. Band number 5 is a near infrared and band number 6 is a short wave infrared. So we add both 5 and 6 add. So now we just open the raster calculator. Just click on the search options. Suppose this window is not coming your systems, go to here customizations, windows and here having the search options. Just click on that. This window is coming. So just searching here raster calculator. Second option you can look here, just click on that. You can look here the raster calculator formulas are exporting here. Just add here floating float. Just open that bracket, band number 5 minus band number 6, bracket close, divided float band number 5 plus band number 6. It is close. Now we are storing this data in particular directories. So just output raster where you want to store, just click on that. I am adding here NDMI 1.tif. Yes, click save. Now just click on the OK button. Click on OK button. You can look here the down raster calculator is executing your NDMI, normal difference moisture index. It is executing. Run. It is completed the practical. Okay, so we just uncheck this band number 5 and band number 6. Now we are looking here the moisture content. So like this we could not possible to finding the moisture content and all this. Just go to your result, right click, go to property. In tab having the number of options in layer property, general, source, metadata, key metadata, extend, display and symbol. So we focus on symbol. Go on the stretch these options here, color ramp, just select on the here. We are selecting this color ramp, just apply. You can look here result. Just go to the label options here. Just adding here the some generating some number of intervals. So we generating 6 and one by one label we give the name. Wet, very water or wet soil moisture. Second, just press the tab space button or remove that value. So you can remove, could not remove that, just space button. Next options, wet soil space, next dry soil, very dry soil, click on OK. Just apply that. You can look here on that place, just OK. So we got the result of that. So here this practical is cover up for the, you can got the result, normal, difference, moisture index. You can also check the histograms. Just double click on that. You can here look the histograms, just click on that. Here you got the result, just cancel. We are also try to use the number of stretching types of the algorithm: standard, deviations, histogram equalize, minimum and maximum, histogram specifications, percent clip, sigmoid. So as your requirement you can use that. So you got the result. Here we can look here the different types of the result. Just click on first option, we are selecting here the customize, apply. So you got the result like this. You can select the second option, standard deviations, just apply that. You got the much better result as compared to previous. Then we apply here the histogram equalizations. We got the like this results. We are applying the minimum and maximum. So next options, histogram specifications. So it is dividing by the in the shape. Last option we are applying the sigmoid, supplying. So I think it is better, give the better result of sigmoid. So I just labeling once again, because continuous all times, suppose you change the algorithm, your labeling also change, because your value are change. You can look here, same process we are doing again. Water or very wet soils, wet soil, dry soil, very dry soil. So we go back again and just apply your backspace button. So remove that space button. Yeah, we was give that. Okay, apply. You can look here. Okay, so we got these results. So also the already we are checking the histograms. Now we just exporting that data. Just go click on here, you can below map view, or here is also available the option that file view in layout view. Click on that, you go directly on the layout view. Just one by one we are adding here information. Just title first we add. You can look here, this title buttons is coming. Just add here, double click on that, give the name of that soil index. we want to change the value of that capitalization, small, big size of the sentence. You can look here the small size. You want to change this formatting. Just click on change symbol. First I change the color, apply this one, change the font size 28, bold, and apply OK. You can also change the font size, font as your choice you can add. Okay, apply. Just click on OK. You got the symbol of title of your study. Now I want to add some different navigation systems. Just click on the insert button. You can look here the north arrow. Just click on that. As your choice you can add. Just I am adding these ones. Go to that property. I want to change the color. Just click on that. There is a having number of options. This 3 north and another functions is available, so I am not going with that. Okay, apply. Click on that. Okay, you can look here the options that navigation arrow is coming. Just putting here. And I want to add this value of water and very wet soils, dry, and this information I want to add this map. Just inserting here. You can look here the legends, inserting the legend options. You just click on that. Which data information you want to extract. So map layer first NDM1 MI1, so just click on that. Next, here border, background, drop. So I don't need to use. You want to add that, you can also use that as your choice. Next, just adding here the some legend items. Just click on the finish. You can look here the result. Yes, I am dragging below, or I can also adding here this information. Okay, so more another options also are having scale bar. So which scale bars we are using depend on our interest. number of options we are having, we go with that. Go to the property. Kilometers, we are adding here kilometers. As format, we are adding here color like a pink. One color is cyan. Apply. Size is 18. Apply that. Okay. Just click on OK. You got that bar. Just look there. More options you can also check as your level. I think it is finished. You can also add the dynamic text. You want to add that author names and all this. Here is option having grid. You can look here in between grid, so that choose your choice. So in between having the graphs, managing graphs. Here you importing that graphs and add here. So now we are exporting this data on particular directory. Just click on here, file, and export the map. Click on that menu options. You can look here the which format you want to add that map. Yes, we are adding that map on a particular directories. Go to the desktop and my project, new project result. In between there we create the one options map. Just file name of soil moisture index of Aurangabad district. Okay. So we check that open. Just minimize everything. Go to the my project. In between result and having a India. You can look at the map. Just click on that. We exporting this result on here. So one lines are coming here. I think it is theme line, not naturally. Okay, so hope you enjoy in these practical sessions. So we just import, create, and develop and export that result on particular directory. So you are very much enjoy in these practical sessions. So thank you guys, you do not forget the share and subscribe my YouTube channel. We call that Do It New. So thank you. We'll meet on the next tutorials, and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so I continuously provide you the updation about my remote sensing tutorials and other tutorials. So thank you.